Tati, Gabby, Tati was crying because you're going to Raising Cane's without her. Why are you crying for some Raising Cane's?
You need 2 toasted bread with extra toasted, okay?
You really cried for some Raising Cane's.
Bye.
Tatiana, you're crying for some food, you big bag. You really like it that much? Unbelievable. For some chicken.
That thing's like special. That chicken was made from Jesus, bro. I'm telling you. It is special chicken.
Tatiana, you don't even cry for me.